What's up guys, it's Emily. So today I am going to be doing a summer makeup tutorial for you guys, and before I jump into the video I just want to let you guys know I did take a 2-week break for myself. I was dealing with a lot of personal stuff that I just wanted to give myself time off to figure out stuff for YouTube with myself and things like that. So it is okay to take a YouTube break, but I am back and I'm better than ever. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a summer makeup look for you guys. I'm going to be doing like a sunset kind of makeup look. I did this like a while back, but I never filmed the actual look, so I actually want to film it for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give this video a fat thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to always be notified of my videos. Comment what you guys think of this summer makeup tutorial, and let me know down below what content you guys want me to post, because I will get it done. And let's get this started. So I'm going in with my James Charles palette, and the look that I was going for is a sunset look. So I pretty much use like a nice neutral orange, not too dark and not too bright, and I kind of mixed it with like a little brighter orange in it just to give it more of like a peachy orangey look. And then I also went in with yellow, and then I brung some brighter orange on the outer part of my eye to just bring out the whole look of the whole look that I was pretty much trying to go for. So as you guys can see, I'm just going in with my brush in the crease of my eye with orange, and then I'm gonna go in with some yellow, and I'm just blending that out thoroughly with my blending brush just to make sure everything doesn't look like it was just thrown on my face, you know what I mean? So I feel like this palette, the James Charles palette, is the perfect palette for just a way to get creative and things like that. So I went in with like a more light yellow because I didn't even realize in the palette there was a lighter pastel yellow, and I was like, it was not enough, so I had to go in with like the more brighter yellow also, just to give it more of like a calm sunset look, if that makes sense. Not too like dramatic. Like I didn't want it to be too dramatic, but I also wanted it to look like pretty like settle. So this is the look that I was trying to go for like a summer makeup look. I do want to show you guys like a summer natural makeup look. If that's what you want to see, just let me know down in the comments. But I wanted to do something different for my channel, and I've been wanting to do this video for the longest. And I've always got requested to do my sunset makeup look, so here it is for you guys. I hope you guys like the look. Okay guys, so this is the sunset look I was going for. So now I'm just gonna clean up and pretty much bring some yellow and some orange down by my waterline. So we're gonna go in with some orange. Bring that upwards. Very lightly, guys, very lightly. Go in with more orange. This is more like a peachy orange, which I was going for. So now I'm going to go in with some pop yellow, like a very pop yellow. Just bring that. I feel like this side looks way better than the other, and I don't appreciate it. I just got eyeshadow on my finger. Love that. There we go. So then we're gonna bring a little pop right there and right there. Okay. So I wish I could find my smaller brush. That would be lovely. Oh, here it is. So now I'm gonna go in with like a little sparkle to give it like a pop. I'm gonna mix it with a little yellow. Just mix it back and forth and just make it pop. You see? Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. Oh my god, I just got a ton of eyeshadow in my eye. That would have been bad. Okay, that was scary. Go in with a little more on this side. And bring way up, like that. Way up. Okay. Now we're gonna move on to the lips. So I was thinking of going in with a brown, a neutral color, or a pink. Should I go in with this one or this one? Decisions. I think I'm gonna go with the pink. It's cold in my house, so I got a blanket on top of me. Oh, that was bad. I think I should go in with some brown too. Like a mauve color. Okay. Now we're gonna go in with some lip gloss. We're gonna do some final touches. Alright, let's go in with some final touches. So now I'm going to go in with some more concealer and just clean up the bottom a little bit. Very little, guys. Just to give it that pop look. You know what I mean? Let's see. Oh my god, I totally forgot to go in with some highlight. So let's go in with some highlight for my nose. I'm gonna put a little bit, nothing too dramatic. right there. Okay, I think we are done. Did I forget anything? Eyebrows. Gotta go in with some. This video is all over the place, but it's okay because I'm human. Okay, now we go in with my little, just clean up anywhere that's splotchy. Oh, that's what I forgot. Mascara. The most important thing of the day. Just kidding. Just kidding. Oh guys, I don't know if you guys know this, but my birthday is like 13 days away. June 5th, so mark your calendars to wish me a happy birthday. Because I will be Netflix and chill and eating a lot. So this is the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this summer sunset makeup look. I actually really love how it came out. I will be giving you guys a montage, but give this video a fat thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.